Welcome to Create with Nature channel. So today I am going to make from dried leaves flying elephant who is trying to reach the star. During autumn, I was collecting some leaves and all different like flowers and other plants and drying them in the books. So as you see on the page here, these are the materials, the leaves and all other plant bits I'm gonna use to make this artwork. As you see, these little nice leaves, very nice shape, gonna be used for the stars, same as this. These gonna be for making elephant body, head and ear, and these gonna be used for elephant's legs. And this little, we'll see how it goes. It might gonna become like an elephant's eye, but I'm not sure. We'll see how it goes. If no, I'll have to draw it. I try to use this glue, all multi-purpose glue, to stick on this watercolor pattern paper. Also, in the end of my artwork, I try to Mod Podge. This is matte, so it's gonna stay. I hope so gonna stay the color for longer period of time. So yeah, let's see. I hope you will enjoy this video, and welcome to subscribe, and so you will be notified of my new upcoming videos. Thank you very much for watching, and enjoy.